If you're like me, then you know the struggle of sitting down so excited to watch YouTube only to spend like an hour trying to find something to actually watch. But after watching this video, you will never do that again because I just created the ultimate list of YouTubers you need to watch. All of these channels are literally so underrated and I guarantee you haven't heard of most of them. Whether you want to watch get ready with me's, morning routines, vlogs, or sit down videos, I've got it all. Every single channel that I mentioned will be linked down below. So without further ado, here are YouTubers you need to watch. Starting off with my favorite YouTuber of all time, myself. Hi, I'm Lulu. I've had my channel for the past 5 years since I was 12 years old. I'm the creator of the How to Make Money as a Teen series. I have a bunch of different tutorials showing you guys how to make money, business, and how to start a YouTube channel, all of that. But I also love making lifestyle videos, morning routines, get ready with me's, fashion videos. I haven't vlogged much, but I really want to vlog more this year. I used to vlog a lot, and now that I have a new camera and a new computer that can actually handle my editing, I want to do vlogs, and I just have like so much planned for this year. I love Jesus, I love the beach, I love you guys so much. I know I'm biased, but I think I honestly have the best subscribers in the world. I always see you guys just like chatting and making friends in the comments. Our community that we have here is so sweet, so supportive. So if this is the first time you're seeing my face, I would absolutely love to have you a part of the Fox fam. I've never said that before. I'm trying to see, is that like cool or not? I don't know, maybe not, but I would love to have you be one of our besties. And I have so much coming this year, so subscribe to stay tuned. Also, please comment down below please comment down below videos you guys want me to make this year. Next up, we have Yodelene Light. Oh, I just literally adore her. Yodelene makes a lot of lifestyle and faith content. Her aesthetic is like pink. Like everything is pink. She wears pink. Her room is pink. Everything is pink and I love it. Like it is the most girly thing. She lives in New York, which is amazing. Like she just moved there. Well, I guess she didn't just move there, but I just love the New York content. The story of how she actually got to move to New York is absolutely amazing. Her testimony is absolutely amazing. She inspires me to wear pink. I wear black far too often. I just like how classy it is and it's just like easy, but then I see Yodelene and I'm like, I want to be a pink girl. She is like just literally the sweetest person. We have DM'd a couple times back and forth because we actually both found each other's channels in 2019, 2020, back when we were both starting out. It has just been amazing to get to watch her grow throughout the past couple years. It is so rare to find someone who is like as beautiful on the outside as they are on the inside, and she is literally the definition of that. She is truly just like such a legit, kind, beautiful, wonderful person. Like I just adore her in every single way. The next YouTuber I have for you guys is Laura Brown. She started her channel a couple months ago, but she's been making content on Instagram for a long time. She is so creative. Her videos are a blend of like beautiful and peaceful and aesthetic and also just like really entertaining and really fun. I just think she's the cutest. She's absolutely gorgeous. She is such like a comfort channel. She actually has like multiple sisters. Like I don't know how many of them there are, but they all are like super creative. One is a writer, one's a photographer, one is a poet, and they're all so talented. And Laura is really good at scrapbooking and just really good at everything creative in general. And I don't know about you guys, but I have the travel bug right now. Like maybe it's because spring is coming, spring break, summer, but I want to travel. And she is like always making like little travel vlogs. I haven't watched all of them, but she went through Hawaii. She went to Greece. I want to go to Greece so bad. And she's just like always going somewhere, always doing something fun. Her videos are just kind of like the teen dream aesthetic. She is so underrated. Next up, we have Erica Diane. You guys know I literally adore Erica. She is one of my favorite YouTubers of all time. She blew up a while ago from her like 5 a.m. series, so you guys may have seen these videos. And now she makes a lot of just like little vlogs, and her videos are just so like cozy. Like she is the definition of like a comfort channel. I watch her video and it's just like the most peaceful, joyful experience. And she is again like so kind. We've DM'd a couple times and she is just like an angel every single time. She is so kind. I think she wished me happy birthday. Like she wished me happy, okay, y'all, she is like an angel. I literally love her. She is so pretty. She has the best style. Whenever she posts on Instagram, I'm in awe because like her outfit is always perfect. Her makeup is always perfect. Like she always just looks so gorgeous. I think she posts like once a week or once every other week, which is actually like so much because she puts in so much work into her videos, and I just adore that girl. Like I adore her. Please go subscribe. She is amazing. Next up is a girl who is so underrated. Her name is Sophie Denko. She is so good at making videos, you guys. I remember finding her channel a while ago, like I want to say close to a year ago, something like that, and that's when she was just starting out and she already felt just like a professional YouTuber. You can tell the work she puts into her videos. You can tell she spends a lot of time in prayer over her videos, and she is so mature. Like she is only 16, I believe. She makes a lot of lifestyle content and she posts so often. Like if you guys want a YouTuber who posts often, Sophie. Let me me find her. Some of her most popular videos are how to look good in school every day. Oh, wow. Okay, that's actually a series. And then she also has like just glow ups and get ready with me's and all that like classic YouTuber content. Her videos are all about like self-improvement and glowing up, but it's done in such a way that is so healthy. Like she always talks about just being confident in who you are and not glowing up because you feel like you have to, but glowing up and taking care of yourself in a way that honors God. She is just wise beyond her years. I absolutely adore her. So shout out Sophie. Before we move on to the next YouTubers, I want to thank Halara for sponsoring today's video. They sent me an insane amount of clothes. Like, thank you, Halara. I literally love you. Like, hello. Everything will be linked in the description box, and I have a code for you guys so you can use 15 Lulu to save 15% on your order. Save a little money. If you guys don't know Halara, Halara is a clothing brand. They make athletic wear as well as just like cute clothes. I don't even know what to call that, casual clothing. They made this shirt. I can make a whole video off of this shirt. It is the most flattering shirt I've probably ever worn in my entire life. You can wear it like this off the shoulder. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be worn, but you can also wear it like this, where it's like asymmetrical, and then you can also wear it like a cowl neck. This is how I think it's intended to be worn. It is so comfortable. Like, it is so stretchy. I love you. I love you, Halara. Like, I can't even. What I love about Halara is that they are like so affordable. Most brands that sell athletic wear, I'm gonna say it, they are overpriced. Like, y'all are charging way too much. But Halara has really honest pricing and it's really affordable for like the exact same qualities. Next up is this. Okay, yeah, it's inside out because I tried it on already. Okay, I got the package. I couldn't contain my excitement and I tried everything on. Okay, I'm sorry. The next shirt is this pink basic top. I love this shirt. It has thumb holes. You guys, thumb holes. I cannot pass up a shirt with thumb holes. It's just like such a soft girly pink. I feel like Yodelene when I wear this, okay? So I feel so like classy when I'm like going to the gym. I don't go to the gym, but when I like work out and do my at-home YouTube Pilates. Next up, I can't say the names of other brands because I'm being sponsored, but this shirt is a perfect dupe for a certain tank top that is like all over TikTok. Like, look at this, you guys. It is such a gorgeous shade of pink and it has built-in support. It's just so cute and it's flattering. It's like a good length. Like, it's not, I also have a short torso, so it's a good length for me. They have a long line version as well. It's just like a fun pop of color, but they have it available in like so many colors. Then we have, oh, I'm so glad this is next. You guys, this dress is so cute. Like, Halara, you really just outdid yourself. At the top, these tie into little bows. There's like a ruche right here, there's a built-in bra, built-in padding, and it's built in, so you don't need a bra. It also has a built-in bra. Okay, period. The skirt, it's so cute. Like, I love a drop waist right now. Like, I don't know if you guys know, but like in fashion, I feel like it's super in right now. Maybe it's not in and I just like it, but it's very like 2000s vibes. Actually, it is in. But this has built-in shorts, and then it just goes down like a tank top, and then at the bottom, there's like this little like tennis skirt. I can't wait to wear that dress literally all summer. Next up. What am I doing? Next up, we have this shirt. Or wait, is this a skirt? Wait, what is this? No, wait. What is this? Oh, again, everything's inside out because I tried it on. This is like an off-the-shoulder sweatshirt, so you can kind of wear it like that, or you can wear it like this. It's just like a comfy everyday sweatshirt. I love like baggy sweatshirts because honestly, sometimes I just want to wear something that's like baggy and flowy and just be comfortable, and this makes it so that you can wear that but also feel like cute and classy. Next up is this really cute black shirt. Okay, everything I got is black, only a couple pink things, but I love black. It's so classy. Anyways, this is a cute shirt. It has like a little cut right there, so it goes just like that. It is actually like so flattering. Next up, we have some shorts, and unfortunately I got these in the wrong size. I would recommend, if you guys are between sizes, to size up. These shorts are so cute though. They're just like simple shorts, super high-waisted. Last but not least, I actually got a coat, and again, I got this for my sister because she loves like furry coats, and this one is like so cute. The inside is almost like a sweatshirt fabric. It's kind of like the perfect jacket for spring because it's like not super warm, but it's not super cold. It's just like cozy, and it makes you feel like you're just like a little teddy bear. There's now a pile of Halara right here. And don't forget, if you guys want to buy anything from Halara, you can use my code 15Lulu. Everything will be linked in the description box. Next up, we have the Steuart family. I don't usually watch family channels, but they are like my absolute favorites. Like, they are absolutely adorable. I feel like a lot of family channels usually tend to be aimed towards like a younger audience. They are kind of just just more like vlogging their lives. The parents are Evan and Carlin, and then they have 2 little kids, Layla and Zayd, and now 1 on the way, which is so exciting. They're just like the cutest family. They love the Lord. They run a boutique, they travel, they do so much fun stuff. They're just like the most entertaining people. I have laughed out loud watching their videos. They just bring me so much joy. They post every single Saturday, and you better believe I am there every single Saturday. I watch their videos with my mom. Like, we will literally like sit down and like watch their video like it's like the event of the week, because for us it is. They are like exactly like what I want when I'm that age, like a sweet little family and like a beautiful house, running a boutique, vlogging your life. I absolutely adore them and totally recommend them. Next up we have Grace Gully. She is just like the cutest person. Like, she is absolutely gorgeous. She runs businesses. Like, I don't know exactly what she does, but I know she's an entrepreneur. I just admire her so much for that, because she does that. She does her Instagram stuff. She does her YouTube now. She's someone who just started up her YouTube channel, but she's been posting on Instagram for a long time, and she makes a lot of content about God and about faith, and she just seems like the most like kind person. She has 3 videos on her channel right now. One is her testimony, one is a Q&A, and then another one is celebrating 100,000 at the beach. Again, she just started her channel, so she's trying to like build it up right now, but her videos are already like so good, and she's just like the cutest person. Then we have Izzy Bizzy's Beehive. I have followed Izzy for quite a while now, and that girl is literally just a light. She's just a ray of sunshine. You can't watch her videos without smiling, and she's just so good at editing. She's so good at all of it, and currently she's actually a homeless teen, so she right now is just like vlogging the process of that. I admire her so much for her strength and for her joy and her faith. She is going through so much and going through such a hard situation, but she just always has a smile on her face, and it is just like so inspiring to get to watch her and to watch her story. She is the kindest person, A, and B, she is so good at making videos. Like, she is so good at editing, so good at just like always chatting and making like quality content. She has the most beautiful smile, and she's just so precious. So please go subscribe to Izzy. I absolutely adore her. It is a blessing to get to watch her videos. Then we have Gracea Lemons. She is a friend of a friend that I actually met like about a month ago. She is a doer. Like, she got her master's. She has had her own clothing brand for the past 4 years, and now she is starting her YouTube channel slash podcast show. Her clothing brand is called Endeavor, and now her show is going to be called the Endeavor series. Her mission is just to inspire people to be doers, which I absolutely love. She talks a lot about how podcasts will typically tell you what to do, but not how to do it. So all of her content is made to inspire you to take action on your dreams. I just know this is going to be so good. She is someone who is so filled with the Holy Spirit, so mature, so accomplished. She is a world changer. We just sat down and we talked for like over an hour. Like, maybe it was like 2 hours. It was a long time, you guys. We were just like vibing. Like, she is just such a sweet person, such a beautiful person. Also, I took this picture and I ate. Like, should I be a photographer? Yes or no? Vote in the comments. I will have her channel linked down below. Then we have Ashley Hetherington. If you guys don't know Ashley, girl, I'm about to change your life. Like, this girl is one of my favorite YouTubers. She makes a lot of content about faith and about health, working out, going to the gym, staying active, eating healthy, as well as like fashion, and also just like vlogs and fun life content of just like going to the beach or this or that. Like, she's always doing something fun. She just inspires me so much in so many different ways. I found Ashley when she had like 30K or something, and now she's at like 600,000 on Instagram. I feel like I discover people because I find people so early, and now she has grown it to like such a huge community. She has a book, she has a TV show, which I'm going to talk about in a second. I always forget I met her for like a brief second. I went to the Forrest Frank concert, and I met her when I was leaving the concert, and she was just like so sweet. She complimented me in my mom's outfits. She said, y'all are so cute. Like, and when I tell you guys, she looked like a 90s supermodel. Like, she is absolutely gorgeous. Her hair was perfect. And with her comes Ali Yost, who is her best friend. She is so funny. She has the best personality. She's absolutely gorgeous. Ali does not make vlogs on YouTube, but she does have an amazing podcast. Actually, wait, she did recently start posting on YouTube. How did I forget? She did a makeup tutorial. Gorgeous. And I met her too the same night when I was leaving the concert, and she was also like so sweet. She's doing so much good, and not only is she absolutely like beautiful on the outside, but her heart is like so beautiful. All the content that she creates, you can tell that she is like praying through that, and she just wants to like really just like help people feel okay. She focuses a lot on mental health, and together, since they're best friends, they actually created a reality show which is available to watch on YouTube. I watched the whole thing. Not in one sitting, but like in a week, and it was so good. Ashley is originally from Tennessee, and I believe Ali was from, I don't want to guess to get it wrong. I feel like it was like Carolina, but then she moved to LA, and then she moved to Tennessee where she met Ali, and then together they moved to LA. Basically, they have like cameramen or camera women. I think it was camera women. Okay, girl boss, slay. Following them around just like their daily lives. They are followers of Jesus, so it is so cool to get to like see how they honor God as they're going through all these different things like movie premieres and book signings and like whatever they're doing. And since they're in LA, like it's just so fun to like just be in that environment and just be like, oh, we're going to the beach, or like we're going to dinner. Like, I don't know, like the whole series was just like so fun. I wish more people made like little reality series like that. Like, should I do that? Like, wait. The series is called Jesus Freaks, and at first I was like, girl, what? Like, I was so confused. It is such a cute series. I feel like the Lord really spoke to me in a lot of ways. Before we move on to the rest of the YouTubers, I want to read you guys today's verse of the vid. So whether you eat or drink or whatever you do, do it all for the glory of God. This is 1 Corinthians 10:31. Your diet is not just what you eat, it is what you listen to, it is what you read, and it is what you watch. The YouTubers you watch will affect your life. They will either inspire you or they will drain you. Everything we do should be honoring God, which includes the videos we watch. Next up is Deborah B. This girl is absolutely gorgeous and she is literally such a queen in and out. She does a lot of like lifestyle content, so she'll do like little aesthetic vlogs, a lot of like encouraging inspirational content. She's actually lives in London. I love watching YouTubers who live in different cities. Like Yodelene's in New York, Deborah's in London. It's just so fun to just see like different perspectives and how different people live their lives. Her apartment is so cute. Like I feel like it's just like the definition of like a cute like cozy girl apartment. And she actually has an apartment testimony, which was an amazing video. That's actually I think how I found her. She is so wise. Like she just feels like the internet's big sister. She's so good at giving advice and just being like a good example. Like I honestly admire her so much. She is so beautiful. She reminds me of like Queen Esther from the Bible. I don't know, like that's the vibes I'm getting here. Next up is Trux. I think that's how you say her last name. I love her. She is again someone who is like on Instagram who I followed forever, and she recently like started up her channel. She is beautiful. She is creative. She is so spirit filled. Her content is just like so joyful and like encouraging. She has like a very granola girl vibe, like not necessarily granola girl, but like earthy vintage. I have no idea how to describe it, but like her aesthetic is like top tier. I just love her videos and I can't wait to see like what else she has coming on her channel. Then we have Emmy Moore. Emmy Moore is technically a podcaster, but her podcasts are on YouTube. So technically you can watch her on YouTube, but I have listened to her podcast and just like stopped in my tracks and been like, oh shoot, like her content is literally fire. She is so spirit filled and she's so wise, but she's also so stylish. I watch her closet, hello. She's really into fashion, but she's into like modest fashion, which I absolutely love because it gives me so much inspiration. Every single outfit she wears is just like stunning, and she is stunning. Save Not Soft is her podcast and it is just literally amazing. It is so good. Then we have Angela and Ari, who I also met a while ago, like when they were first getting started. They again are technically podcasters, but their podcasts are available on YouTube. Their podcast is called Girls Gone Bible, so it is about faith and like mental health and stuff like that, and just their journeys of being girls who were like living in LA and like modeling and all this stuff and coming to the Lord. Their testimonies are so beautiful. They are so beautiful. Their hearts are so beautiful. I remember when I met them, this was like a couple months into them having a podcast. There was like a group of people like kind of crowding around them trying to like, you know, talk to them. They saw me and they like both made time to individually like come over and talk to me. Angela prayed over me. The fact that she had so many people waiting and spent the time to like actually pray over me, like a specific prayer. It was like the most sweet thing ever. And Ari came over and I told her that like my mom like adores her, and she filmed my mom a video.
Oh my gosh, what a lovely daughter you raised.
She just has like the purest heart. She also talked to me for like a good minute. I actually at one point thought they were sisters. They're not sisters. They just look like so much alike. Then we have Lalia Garcia Amini, or Lalia for short. She runs this group called Sunny Gather, where she connects women from around the world to try to just like make faith-based friendships. She's a girl boss. She's in college. She literally does it all. I have always looked up to her. She's genuinely one of the sweetest people ever. She's absolutely gorgeous. Like she is stunning. She has one video on YouTube and I hope she starts posting more. She is like one of those people who's just so talented in so many different departments. I love her whole aesthetic. I love her podcast. I would say my favorite episode so far would probably be the one about creativity. I didn't think I would like it that much because the topic I was like, oh, like creativity, like, you know, I don't know. And then I listened to the podcast and I have listened to it, I think 3 times. Like it is one of the best podcast episodes I've ever listened to in my entire life. I just think she's someone that every single girl should follow. Comment down below who your favorite YouTubers are. I'll also have my Instagram linked down below. I'm trying to post more on Instagram because I've been mostly just focusing on YouTube, but I do want to post more on Instagram. And my DMs are always open. My comments are always open. I love hearing from you guys. Make sure to shop Halara down below. Remember, my code is 15Lulu and it will save you 15% off your order. Everything I got I absolutely adore. I love you guys so much. Keep smiling. God bless you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!